Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. Tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back. Trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, sit up, clean floor mats, all season and regular, roll down rear seats, come alongside, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 54,097 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.